Hi, I'm Matt and I work in the marketing and IT departments here at Stark Brothers. I've been here for a little bit over 10 years now. I grew up in a gardening family. My dad always had really large vegetable gardens growing up, and as a kid I enjoyed spending time with him out in his gardens. And our family just has a really rich tradition in gardening and farming. My family came to Missouri the year 1800 on New Year's Day on a Spanish land grant, and my grandparents lived on a piece of that land through most of my life, and they had, it's kind of like a homestead. They had fruit trees, a pretty good sized apple orchard. They had several different berry patches, raspberries and strawberries and blackberries. As a kid, I always loved it when it was time to pick the grapes or go out and with them in the berry patches, and just always loved that. So when I got my first home myself, I obviously or instinctively just wanted to add berries and fruit trees to my own house. So our first house we added a few, and then when we moved into this house maybe 15 years ago or so, we started adding more and more fruit trees and berry plants, and now to the point where I probably can't fit any more fruit trees and have a pretty decent sized vegetable garden. One of the things I love about working at Stark Brothers is getting to learn about so many different varieties of fruit trees and berry plants. There's just so many new things that you come across every year, and Stark Brothers they're always bringing out new varieties, and it's fun to read about them and then learn about them and share those with other gardeners. And then obviously bring some here in my backyard and try them out myself. One of the other things I love about working at Stark Brothers is that so many of the employees are also passionate gardeners. And it's really fun to come in on a Monday morning and share what we were all working on and what the progress in our gardens was, and get ideas and tips and tricks from each other. It's awesome. I'm Matt, and gardening is one of my favorite passions.